Brandon with Voodoo Forge, and I need some forge lube. Now, I haven't actually made any of this in years. The first time I saw it was on old iForge Iron years ago, and it said it was Yuri Hoffy's recipe, but there's no telling where it came from because, you know, I've heard people give him credit for a Czech style hammer before. But excellent blacksmith. Yuri Hoffy was amazing blacksmith. Not saying anything negative about him. But anyway, I'd seen it on there years ago, and I was like, what was that recipe? It was graphite and something. Well, I looked it up, and one of my favorite blacksmiths to watch did a video on it not too long ago, and I had to write it down the way I feel like his name should be spelled so I can pronounce it. Torben Amen. God, I hope I pronounced that. I really worked on that. Anyway, if you don't watch his channel, you should. He's better at the camera thing, and probably most things that I am, but check him out. But anyway, it is the same forge lube that came from iForge Iron and Yuri Hoffy and Torben. So, anyway, I just needed to make some because I'm going to be sending some with the jackhammer bit tools because there's a drift in there. So I was like, well, I'll make some to send with it. So anyway, on with it. This is relatively simple. We've got graphite powder and molybdenum dust of that stuff right there. 50-50 with this stuff and the graphite powder. I mean, give or take. You gotta. What, I do 3? Yeah. Yeah, that was 3. Oh, I'm good at counting. There, now we're gonna add our dish soap. Do a little at a time. See that? You can tell it's about that consistency right there. Now we're going to add our water. We're just making it runny, pretty much. That's it. That's what we're looking for. Here's the plan. I got a couple of holes and I'm going to heat them up. I'm going to drift them out using a couple of different drifts. I'm going to do one without, drift one hole without the lube, and then use the lube on the other. That looks warm enough. Comes into play. Okay, for that second hole, we're going to put some lube on here. Now we'll dry her with the lube. It actually drifted easier. I didn't remember that about it, but Yeah, drifted easier. Let's try the big drift. And so that was 2 or 3 good smacks to get her out of there. Remember, it took 2 or 3 hard hits. Yep, much better. So that worked great. And as an added bonus, due to the palm olive dish soap in this lube, we have this wonderful artificial perfumey scent in the shop that smells, less bad than normal. Alright, so as you can see, it works. It still works. I don't know why I quit using it, but I did for some reason and then had to relearn my lesson. But I've mixed up a container of it, which will be going to whoever wins the jackhammer bit tools. You're going to have to add your own dish soap and water, so good luck with that. But it'll get you started. So yeah, it works. It's great. Oh, by the way, the April 4th is when I'm drawing the name for the jackhammer bit tools. So it'll be, I don't know, 6 o'clock Central Time, April 4th. So hopefully I will see you then. It's going to be the first time I ever do one of these things live, so I'm a little nervous. I won't be able to edit out all the profanity. Alright, but anyway, I hope y'all got something out of this and y'all behave yourself.